said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Chad, baby. How
oi.
are you guys doing today? I see you guys are very keen, very excited to go. I don't know if it's just because you guys are being fed the last 2 days, New York, and of course, I will stick to my word. If we get a trade, which I'm very sure we will be trading the Iron 2000 today. So I'm sure that's why everyone's got so much energy here today to kind of see a little bit of what is this Iron 2000 about. But as you guys can see, and probably would have already, my other G is very active in the chat, but he is not here today. He is busy on a secret mission with the Iron 2000, so you guys are going to have to wait and see what that is about. But I have my super sub, my own bomb squad here. We've got big man Ed. Yeah, how you doing today, brother?
Doing great, Chad.
There we go. Beautiful stuff. Missed the chat. Lilo, I don't know where you've been, but we are glad to have you back. I'm sure the chat missed you as well. Chris is on side quest, 100% he is. But guys, you're going to see very shortly, we actually just took an Iron 2000 before the stream. I know that's why Chris is probably very active, because I know he was in that same trade. It's very funny when we take a trade now and everyone in the office is in the same trade.
Actually.
So, yeah, all that means is we are still trading. Just means now the account is already doubled and ready to go for this action today. But before we get the ball rolling, as always, we're going to open up with a prayer. And as we like to do it here in New York, we are having our guests open up with us. So, big man Ed, will you do the favor and open up with a prayer for us?
Right, Chad, let's bow our heads in prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, we are coming here to you today. Wednesday, we're about to trade New York session together. Please bless myself and Keegan as we're about to lead the community in showing them what we know, what we do, and how we do it. Please give us the clarity in order to express ourselves well. Help us to really vocalize what we know and what we're about to do in a manner that is going to inspire the Chad to be able to do this for themselves. Please be with the Chad. Please open their hearts and bless them in a way that they are able to enter the markets in a way that is free from greed, free from corruption, free from all the negative aspects of this that are ever present, so that we can enter the markets in a way that can glorify your name, to be able to provide for our families, provide for ourselves, and better ourselves moving forward. We ask this in your name. Amen.
Amen. Chad, I think we're definitely going to need a few amens in the chat for that one. That was powerful. That was beautiful, Ed. But we are good to go. We know there's more than two. He is here and present with us. That is beautiful stuff there, Chad. So let's get the ball rolling. And as always, we're going to start it off with the fundamental chat. And then from there, we will basically get into everything. So for those that maybe it's your first time onto the charts today, it is a very red folder, very driven day. Also going back to the chat, we have played around. There was another thing with audio we had to sort out. Everything should be good, but just give me a heads up. So if the volume is a little bit loud, a little bit low, if you want it a little bit higher, you want a little bit more bass, just let us know and we can correct those things there for you guys. But as you guys see, lots of PMIs. Nothing too crazy this morning, so I'm not going to go over that and recap that completely. You guys can all come over and check it out if you want to. But 3:45 just after market open, we have the US PMI coming out, and they are expecting a drop in the manufacturing and services. So quite an interesting one. I do think this might not give us some crazy move, but we will get a bit of volume added to the market. So I definitely think this is going to be a nice one for us. But let's go over to the charts and see what is happening. So with DXY, what am I looking at today, guys? I said to you, we were bearish with a neutral outlook. Let me change this because you guys are going to keep saying Keegan, you keep saying you're neutral, but it says bearish there. We are neutral. Big reason for that. You guys always know on a weekly, if I'm bearish Monday, Tuesday, I want to see a move to the top side. Monday, we went bearish, but held that level. That's why we could stay neutral. Tuesday, trading bullish, but still having the gap. We've now closed that gap, weekly pivot above us. And the whole idea was, are we trading to this key level over here to then either trade bearish or trade bullish? This is the point after which, once we reject or break through, I will then change bullish or bearish after that. So this is why we are staying neutral for the point, literally for that key area over there. So we're going to really see what happens there, what can come to life for us. So stay close, pay attention. This is what we want to focus on. So looking very, very good here for the dollar. All gaps have been closed and we are ready to go. Literally in the Asia range, holding previous weekly lows and Asia lows. So again, I think that, as I said, that PMI definitely going to bring some moves out here for for the dollar. Going over to NASDAQ, we are trading bullish. NASDAQ a little bit more trickier of the two. We're going to stay neutral. Why do I say it's a little bit more trickier? And that's going to come down for two reasons, guys. So very simply, we had a little bit of a gap. So this gap was actually still open here because that was your close. Now you're down here. So there was still a bit of a gap that was open over there. Then you have your gap to the downside. We'll talk about that later. I think I might actually be looking at the wrong area, if I'm honest with you guys in our chat. I don't know. I'm confusing myself. But yeah, there were two areas. I think the one might have closed. I'm only seeing one at the moment. Let me just go to the 4. There we go. That's what I was looking for. So on the 4 hour, we spoke this morning. Gap over there and gap to the top side. You can see over there. Gap underneath stayed open. We haven't closed that yet. Gap on the top side now being officially closed. So that's what we wanted to see happen over there. We spoke about this. Either hold a weekly pivot, continuing bullish. Now that 18,900 level, very, very strong, important level for NASDAQ. So we're going to see if we can break through there. Otherwise, do we come back down for that weekly pivot and potential gap close? But the move going bullish, we do like. US 30, again, very, very nice move. We spoke about this. US 30 only having the gap on the downside. That's why we prefer the buys a little bit more there. Bonang did smash those TPs. Again, beautiful trade. For us, we're going to a psychological 3,900 and broke through. We are now on our way, obviously, to 40,000. There's the next one, just shy of it at the moment. So you guys can see that going to come into play. And I do think we're going to get price happening over there. So big thing for me, as you said there, gap is still open. We always say a gap has to be closed, but it doesn't have to be immediately. It can happen now, it can happen tomorrow, it can happen next month. It can happen whenever it happens. So just be patient with it. But the big thing for me is going to be this 40,000. Once we're there, I want to see price either drive. If it breaks back down under Asia lows, that's how I'm going to look to trade down. If it breaks, find support, that's how I'm going to look to go bullish and see this continuation move, and where we could see a nice one. Again, we already hit our first trade on IN 2000 before the market opened. So account is looking quite good. So if we can get there, we are going to probably look to hold the trade a little bit longer today. And if we can, then risk that potential break even. If we're already on the right side, we don't even talk losses here with IN 2000, we just talk break evens. But lastly, let's go to gold. Gold, we spoke about that bearish move that's been playing out very, very nicely. The big thing for us is we spoke about monthly R2. That was always going to be the goal. Once we broke through this, obviously the next goal is going to be the yearly R1. There was no retest from the breakaway initially, so this is where we want to see this thing trade down to. If it holds back there, if we can get back above monthly R2, we go bullish. But if it breaks, trades into this pivot, breaks there, breaks underneath, then we're going to see this move back down here and then possibly even further away. We were either now this becomes our pullback to go bullish, or if it breaks and holds, we continue bearish. But that's going to be the key areas for me. Breaking underneath monthly R2 and the continuation move even further down. But quite extended on the day already, almost 2.5% down for gold. So quite interesting there. But for myself, I'm going to be quite focused on the indices. As I said, I just need to set up for the cracker. And then after that, I'm going to basically be getting ready to show you guys IN 2000. But that's everything from me. Ed, over to you, brother.
Let's rock and roll, Chad. So looking at US 30, I am expecting some slight more bullish action. As we can see here, we have the daily R2 just above where price is right now. And we have this previous support turned resistance just above it. So I am anticipating a little bit of a bullish run towards there. And if we can break above, retest, I am expecting some continuations for bullish action there after. However, if we then bounce off this area and reject, I would be expecting some bearish action, probably down to this weekly pivot level, daily R1, Asia lows, which are currently untested. And as Keegan was saying, we do have this little gapperino still very much open. So we might go for it today, we might go for it tomorrow, we might go for it next month. No real way of telling before it happens. But if we do during this session test daily R1, break back into Asia highs, good probability we probably will be going for that little gap fill. So staying neutral on price right now. We could still see a little bit more bullish action, but left to be seen. On Golide, We have been bearish after setting all-time highs at 3,500 yesterday. I was in gold sells, decided to cut out early. Kicked myself a little bit this morning when I looked at price because that thing kept on sinking, but is what it is. The length of the pullback we've had thus far would be indicative of potentially continuations or a reversal from here. The way gold is right now with tariffs and all that, anyone's real guess. We are breaking back below this monthly resistance level, so we could see, if we get a break behind this weekly pivot level, we could see further bearish continuations. We have a yearly pivot level here, and if we break below that, this thing is going to sink for some time further. However, definitely on the cards that we could see another bounce off this level, maybe the daily S2, maybe off that yearly support level, and we could see another bullish run from there. So left to be seen what's going to be happening. We're going to be quite reactive on price and not predictive right now. Being as close as we are to all-time highs, and all-time highs being set just yesterday, it is anyone's guess what the technicals are going to do. In terms of fundamentals, not expecting any press conference releases in the near future of any great significance, so we're going to see how things go. That is me on my 2 pairs for the day.
Awesome stuff.
Full stop.
All right.
Oh, that you setting the cracker.
The cracker, getting the guys ready there. But as I said, just giving them the outlook for the cracker today. But I unfortunately will not be able to update them because, as I said, today we are going to be focused on trading Iron 2000 with you all. So let's just get it all ready, take off what needs to be taken off, and we are going to focus here.
I am in agreement.
Let's just get everything right, and then we can see what is cooking here, team. See if you guys are ready for this.
Chad, I was in a Iron 2000 US 30 buy. Does this bastard not tap me at break even and now is running to TP?
Okay, team, so let's have a look at what is happening. US 30, that is the focal point today. Now, you guys are going to say, oh, Keegan, what's that? That was Iron 2000 right now before stream. A nice quick 75 pips. Literally was on the money with that TP, as you guys can see there. And now we are good to go. So we're going to see what happens if we can double down on it today and do something naughty with it.
I'm not jealous at all.
You guys, Brandon, you guys technically need to, if you have registered, if you have already filled in that form, then don't worry. This is just that we can keep all the documents together, trade for you, and all the stuff together under one thing. So if you have already filled that out, don't worry. You can always just do it again. It's not really a problem. But yeah, I'm still on US 30 from this morning, looking to scale in a beautiful stuff there, Jared.
Oh, you've had a solid day then, eh?
Ed, I see you trade German 30.
Not really. I look at it. It tends to move very similarly to NAS and US 30, so I mostly use it as a confluence, but I don't actually place any trades on it.
You have a team. All right.
This like US 30 will annoy me if it hits my TP after taking me out. That is some old bull.
Okay, guys, there is a little bit of time. Just give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna put it back in. I just need to answer a message quickly, and I'll be back with you guys.
Ruan, totally different systems. So Trade for You is open to the chat. You guys are able to trade. It's built on different confluences, a different strategy. The Iron 2000 is something that in the process of creating Trade for You, an idea popped up that Chris then worked on, came up with a couple different confluences, different methodology of thinking behind it. Yeah, it was like a happy accident. one led to the other, which led to another thing, which led to another thing, and we're like, oh, this is even better than the first idea. But yeah, Iron 2000 is solid. It is solid. For me to completely abandon everything I was working on, and I'm like, let me focus on this for a bit. you got a winner. Iron 2000 is not up to the public right now. We have the whole office forward testing it together. Which is like Keegan was saying, it's quite funny how everyone will be like, hit TP, and it'll be like, were you in on that trade? Were you in on that trade? Were you in? Oh, it's actually quite funny. Okay, Chad, we have Wednesday open. 5 minutes from now. I have a smaller Iron 2000 position on my little DGen account. My main account hit break even. My little DGen just survived. But we're gonna see what happens with. I don't like holding the Iron 2000 into New York Open. New York Open does what New York Open does. It is everywhere. Jordan, bit of both. But right now I'm gonna lock in on the funded side of things and really put all my energy and focus on there. Mo spilled the sauce. Oh yeah, you think Chris gave me a hard time? Freaking! I think Mo was the last one to find out about the Iron 2000. Mo had to beg for the sauce. Jack and Son, it is not. It may or may not ever become available, if we're being honest with you. Depends. If the Iron 2000 works, continues to work the way it's working, you guys might show up on 3 o'clock one day and be like, oh, where's the stream? Dololo, nothing. Go check Chris's status on Instagram. He's on a beach somewhere in the Bahamas. Keegan's off in what's the name? Starts with a Z. What am I thinking of? Island just off of Africa. What am I thinking of? Zanzibar, that's the one. Off an island in Zanzibar somewhere, sipping Mai Tais. Ed busy driving his GR86 on a cross-country road trip. We're just like gone. Leave you guys behind. Champ, which account? My personal one or my Forex Insights one? Because I almost never check the messages on there. So I'll have a look. I'll have a look after this. Because they all go to my hidden folder, man. I'm not on Instagram enough to look at stuff like that. Let's see. That's not it. Hey, there's some random girl flirting with me on here. She only has 2 followers, but I bet it's legit. Okay, I'm assuming not this account then.
No, sorry guys, I just had to quickly tend to something, but I am here. I'm ready to go. We are good to go. A little bit before markets open, so nothing we are going to miss. Let's see what is going to happen here, Chad. Get ready. 1 minute. I hope you guys are all ready, Chad.
Champ, I'm not seeing it, eh? Oh, wait. Maybe this one? Haven't said anything.
Mo's fighting against it. He wants to be trading hard. No. Not today, brother. One of my best training days in a while. I got to make everybody win. There we go.
Okay. Ed could have given himself a
Headway in the markets and the DMs. Hey. All right, team. 20 seconds. Let's see what we're going to get here. There's big news 5 minutes after market open. Be careful, guys. Jagenstein, it's 15 minutes after market open. But we are aware of it.
Oh, is that PPI or something?
Yeah, bo. PMI.
PMI, that's the one.
You say you responded now, brother. Thanks. You just got a message from him. There we go, Chad. Markets are open. Round 6. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Let's go!
Round 1. Fight.
Let's see. See who's ready for this team.
La Dance.
You're watching the same thing, Ed.
I think I am. You're studying?
Yeah, the one that's on screen. Well, that profit was Iron 2000.
Come on. Set up, baby, set up.
But we know what we're looking for. Ruin not long after. Things that has to be verified that all requirements and everything were met. Then once we are aware of that, then you will receive the email with further instructions. Let's see.
Oh. What's sitting up here?
We're watching, yeah, team. We are watching. Let's see what's gonna happen, yeah. Yeah, comes that 40,000 psychological number going to come into play as well.
Okay.
Get ready, team.
Well, that is rocketing. They would have been my TP.
Alright, team. We are in bars on US 30. Alright.
Slow down. Let me get my stop loss going. Where's the stuff? Okay.
Go to the 1 minute here. Champ, you've asked me a few times now. This is Iron 2000. To be fair, that is the real stop loss there, team.
Is it just me or did it move?
What?
That stop loss.
No.
Okay, there it goes. Set there. Okay, position's a little bit bigger than I would have liked, but anyway. Okay. one over there. Break-even point is there.
Sorry, brother, did you respond? Not distracted. Nah, all good, my brother. All good.
All right. Now, I don't like the fact that we have that daily R2 smack in the middle.
Yeah, you got a daily R2 and you got a psychological round number. It's gonna bounce off now.
That's gonna be a little on the difficult side, but laat ons zien.
Anisha, that's literally, it just means within every 3 days you at least have to have a trade being activated. So you can't, for example, deposit the money in there and then just leave the account for 2 weeks and not do anything with it, because then it'll be seen as inactive and access will be removed. What time? It was 3:45. Yeah, I was right. 3:45. Okay.
Did this thing die?
What?
This keyboard.
I don't know. Anisha, no. So okay, you. All right, guys. Okay, let's think logically here now. So, if I give you access to something, and you had an account funded, you had to have whatever the case was, and it's working there now. Everything else comes through to you on trading view. So now that you're watching it on trading view, what is preventing you to take the signal on trading view and enter on a different account? Hence a prop firm challenge, things like that. You have to use the XM and that to keep it active, hence the rollover period. But there's nothing that says you can't also take it on other accounts. Does that make sense?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Chad, come on.
Round one.
Oh shit! I'm taking that. Woo!
Chad, come on.
Fuck it. What did Trump say? Yo,
Chad.
I didn't set my TP, eh?
Chad.
That was a smack 2R there.
Now.
Sure.
There you go, Chad. You can't make this stuff up.
Oh, that was beautiful.
So I don't know what, Chad. Now,
Shoo.
what more do you guys want to see there?
I don't
Eh?
know.
What more do you guys want to see, Chad?
I'm not sure what just happened.
Wait, hold on, I'll just see where did I close.
But I like it. I closed 2R.
This was on 1.
I closed right there.
I closed. Mine's about there.
I basically caught the top of that thing.
Yeah, I was like just shy of the top. Yeah. Okay, team. Here we go.
Sheesh.
Shout out TGW. What was that? Chad,
Sheesh.
send us a W there. Who was in that trade with us? We want to get this ready for you guys, if you guys are ready. All right. Okay, guys, we took a break today. Traded Iron 2000 live on stream. Send a W here, guys, if you took that trade with us. Look at that, Chad. The team, 237 people, all took it. First time, look at that. I made $400. This is the first time we traded the Cracker, not the Cracker, your Iron 2000 live on stream. That was the warm-up, Chad. That was the warm-up. 75 pips. You can already see what happened later on. You're missing out. We told you this is the indicator that's going to end it all.
Yeah, boy.
Here we go, team. You can't even make this up.
I don't know what the hell happened there, but I like it. Oh, stop it. I like it.
Chris, what did you advise Elon to do?
I don't know what the hell that was, but okay. Is that like pre, what is it, PMI, PPI? PMI?
Well, it's not even out yet, bro.
That's what I mean. Is it like a
345. It's still coming out now.
Like a pre-reaction? What was that? I was busy thinking like, oh, I want to go break even 5 minutes before because I don't know what that's gonna do, and then suddenly.
Okay, Chad, we are just different. Whatever just caused that spark, I'm happy. They should have never allowed us to do the indicator game. They forgot we started this game a year and a bit ago, Chad. We already were in it. 2Gs own the market. Key experience shows which moving averages you are using. 50, 20, and 200. That's what I use. Never mind what Trump said. Iron 2000 brought the volume. This is nuts. Guys,
somebody needs to clip that. That was beautiful.
Yeah, someone do it, guys. Beautiful. Otherwise, we'll get it for you guys. But
that was beautiful.
White House considering slashing the China tariffs. That's what happened. Hey, there we go. But yeah, guys, I don't know what more you guys are gonna say. You actually going back to this, guys. Going back to this. Connor, we are please needing Connor. Please report to the front. That is Connor. You wanted to see Iron 2000 be traded live and in person. We just want to see, are you happy with that, or do you still think we are scammers? Please just step forward, Connor. That is Connor to the front.
Today's been the best trading day I've had in a long time. Hey. Today's been a very good day.
Took it, brother. Hey, there we go, Connor. So does that answer the questions you had yesterday, my brother?
I took 2 break evens today, and it's still the best trade.
I made 12K. Hey, Jack and Son,
hey,
beautiful stuff.
Well
guys.
done, sir. Well done.
Beautiful, beautiful stuff.
You can take that to the bank.
First big trade. Beautiful, beautiful stuff, guys.
We want more. Paul, I'm funding. Paul. We don't want the market makers to figure out what we're doing.
Nah, team, you guys, people don't know. They don't know what's coming. They don't know what is coming.
Chad, Chris is about to be pissed off with me. I'm just gonna not rock up to work one day. Like, you'll just hear this engine just like beaming across the office back and forth. You'll go, look, is that 86? Is that Ed? He was supposed to be at work 2 hours ago. And it's jet off.
Also, this channel will self-destruct in 24 hours. That was nasty. We want more. All great things come from PE. There we go. Beautiful. Do all the boys in the office use the indicator for I-2000, or do they just know the strat? No, they all use the indicator.
Everyone's using like Laik came in here just now.
Literally, Laik was there. That's just said, we are in a position now where everyone in this office is literally trading the same thing. We are all using it.
The next mission is going to teach you how to use it, and everybody else.
Where's Jordan? Jordan, are you here, my brother? I know the reason I'm asking, Jordan, you were asking me about the accounts. Remember we were talking about this earlier? Now you can see why those returns were coming from that account size. Like, it has just been mental, bro. Yeah, G, Jordan.
Right, guys, I'll be right back.
People with bots would be saying they can't sell it to everyone because market makers would be against it. Yeah, it is. Chad, we can't make this stuff up to you guys. Ed, you're going to be overloaded with risk interviews. Mad, bro. Couldn't believe it. Yeah, this guys, that's just, I mean, think of that. It's a 200 pip move. That is a CPI event right there, guys. That is literally a CPI event or an NFP event. So 200, literally 270 pips for the day. Literally can't even make this up, guys. The leverage trading can bring your life is unbelievable. This trade made it possible to withdraw all deposits to start my account. See Jordan, that is awesome. Didn't this trade coincide with the cracker today, Keegs? It did. Just to give the guys another heads up. So let's go have a look at what did the cracker want to do, guys. We put it up there for you. We go cracker play today. What does that say? You can see there was the first trade. Buys above here, buys below there. And then you can see I like the buys no matter what. We'll be using our 120. I'll update you on the trade today as I'm trading Iron 2000 live on stream. So you know what to look for, and the best of luck today on the markets. Ignore the previous trade as well. That was just Iron 2000. But there you guys can see the cracker and Iron 2000 all working out together. Chad, we are creating something monstrous here for you guys. So it will all be very, very much worth it in the end. We promise you that. There we go. The news coming out. Bunang must be smiling. So you've turned the cracker into an indicator. Brian, no, they're not the same. We have picked up that when they work together, they definitely work. They do work together. I will say that. But yeah, it is very, very crazy. PMI, okay, so 50.7. Manufacturing coming out higher. And services taking a bit of a knock. That services is the bigger print of the two, but end of the day they still mixed data. You guys are literally changing trading. We appreciate it, guys. We really, really do. End of the day, we've always said there's enough for everyone, so there's nothing wrong with that. But beautiful, beautiful trade yesterday, guys. Why does it feel like I'm in a dream? Almost too good to be true. Somebody pinched me. God is good, Chad. Couldn't have said it better there, my brother. Couldn't have said it better there. Beautiful, beautiful stuff.
Chad, you should see how upset Mo is.
We told him to take it, Chad. Even Laik, that's why Laik came in. Laik was like, Mo, take the trade. And even pulled back a bit, take the trade. And he's like, no, I'm not. And now he's...
No, because he hit TP earlier in the earlier one, eh?
Chad, you want to see this? This is what happens, I promise you. When the whole office is one in. And I'm going to go full screen for this so that you guys can see. This is what when the whole office is one in. And then everyone was told to take the trade and the one brother doesn't take it. This is...
Oh, that's it?
That is it, Chad. That is what happens when everyone in the office takes the trade. Your brothers all told you, take the trade. And I will not take that trade.
Please tell me I'll put that on the group. Please tell me I'll put that on the group. Oh, that's hilarious.
Amazing work, guys. I filled the format that Excellent Project today is straight for you and I into Excess Crimes. It's the same. Yeah, they're both going to be launched to all those people. So that's why we're just saying everyone that is on that same thing will all get access.
Kyle, listen. If a whole bunch of people start Iron 2000ing it, I quit my job as the risk interview guy. No, not a chance.
Used to watch you guys last year, just getting back into it again. Where can I find out more about these indicators? Kendall, there is a pinned thing there, registration form. Click on that, there's the registration form, and then you'll get all the details when they are ready to launch and go out to the public. FOMO Mo, couldn't rename the channel to TP's trading and it wouldn't be a lie. So the indicator is already working and active because the boys in the office are using it. Let us know when you release it for us. Yeah, Michael, that's the thing. Obviously why we could trade it here today. It is active, it is working. But for example, like I said there on the stories today. So again, if you guys want to, just make sure you follow us on Instagram. You will have all the updates over there. We want to release something to you guys. We've always said to you guys, we want the best for the community. We want the best for our Chad, for Peach Nation. So when we release something, we want it to be the best on the market, and we are working very hard. That's what I said. Chris is on a secret mission at the moment, doing some very, very important stuff for it, so that this thing can change the game for everyone. So we will make sure it is ready. You can't be the Chad, supposed to be leading with the other 2Gs. Well, I saw Jeff has indicated now. Bro, that man's just following anyone. That's all he's doing now.
Well, what Jeff has indicated now.
I love being locked in, no rest. Yeah, like guys, first SA traders to do it live. Exactly, there we go. Really appreciate it, guys. That's why I was yawning for 2 weeks straight. Great stuff, Jen. Stop, Michael. Chris, we need you for the vibes, at least, my guy. I just want to say thank you, guys, for helping everyone. May God bless you and your families. You deserve all the praise. Thank you. Amina, it means the world to us. Thank you so, so much. End of the day, if we can do this for the community, we've said it from day one, there's more than enough for it to go around for everyone. We can all win. We can all go to the top. It doesn't mean, that's the thing about trading, it doesn't mean for me to win, it is to lose.
Yes,
We can all sit here and win together, and that is what this is going to do in this game.
There's a lot of pie to go around, Chad.
Trade for you hitting stop losses again on gold. We missed the soundboard sounds. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Tyreek, what are you talking about? I have sound. What is sound?
Shit. Trade for you hitting stopperinos. It hit 2 stops. Stop 1 and stop 2. Heading for stop 3.
I 2000 retired me waiting for someone to bring me out of retirement. Chad, don't worry, we're gonna go fetch him. We're gonna bring him out of. Try 9. What's 9? Oh. That's after those TPs are hit. We are full Marian. Full Magan.
Full Magan.
Use any trades now. I think one more Iron 2000 just to make sure.
That's the thing about Iron 2000, Chad.
And we'll give another one. That's the thing. It's a video game, Chad. I promise you, we are not joking when we said this is a video game.
That was insane. I'm guessing this is gonna be bullish price action for a while today still.
That is crazy stuff, Chad.
Okay.
Crazy stuff. I like games. Hey, Big Ed. So I remember we just said if it broke that key area, could hold it. This thing was taking off today. What's next on the list, G's? F1 sponsorship. Hey, we will not say no. We will definitely not say no to that one. Let's see what we can get you guys. I'm not going to make promises, but maybe if Iron 2000 feels good and wants to give us another one, we can take another one. Chad, peace and love. Elon going to take me through the Gigafactory now. Might bring a Tesla back home. Hey, there we go. Have a good one, my brother. Will the indicators be for sale? Cesare, that is the thing. They are not for sale. You just sign up. You do go through the process. You get the welcome pack, and you can use them. All we do is we ask that you trade using it, which you're going to do. So you partner with us, you trade, and as long as you're trading and using it, that's it. We're not selling it. For the guys that said it's not about money, but yet they're now selling their indicators. I think end of the day, Chad, do we all see who was the real ones here now? I think enough has been said on that topic. It is going to be there for you guys. There isn't a fee. It is just all we ask is for you to trust in us and trade it. Shout out to G's. What's the welcome pack? The welcome pack, and that's the thing, guys, because of technology today, we don't want to send out crazy long emails. We have whole professional videos taking you step by step how to join, how to register, how to create an XM account, how to link your XM accounts, how to set up the indicator, how to refresh and update the indicator, how to use the indicator. All of that is all there in video format with a walkthrough showing you how to do it. So that's why I say we have not taken this lightly. We have wanted to make it as professional as we can for you guys.
Chad, what more do you want? What more do you want?
Registration spin, Chad. The other one costs over 1,000 rand. Aish. This is going to change the game. Also, the funny thing, Chad, is it's very ironic when you apparently claim to have a 100% win rate. But lately I am seeing stops though. But yet it's still a 100% win rate. It doesn't make sense to me.
100% win rate, you say?
You guys deserve a Nobel Prize for that indicator. Surely you can also make money from everyone signing up with the deposit. Ruan, so that is the thing. We obviously do get a little bit back. We won't lie to you guys through volume. But that is literally it. So we are not making you guys get clapped in the sense of having to hit the fees. You're just, end of the day, whether you, for example, put it this way, we won't lie and say we don't get it, but if you had this indicator, for you to trade, you have to deposit at a broker and you have to trade. So all you've done is you've just used our partnered broker and you trade him, which now doing that through us partnering with us and our broker gives us that little bit of a kickback, as if you want to say a thank you, whatever the case. But then the indicator is free, everything else is free. So I always say to people, it's not like if you didn't have to do that, you would have still traded somehow. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
So-
the alternative would have been pay for the indicator and then deposit funds into a broker and trade it.
You know what we're saying? So there is two ways you can go about it, and we kind of feel this is just the more of the way of, yes, you help us, but also we're not hurting the trader.
It is cheaper for you ultimately.
Yeah. We won't lie about it, but yeah. You Prodigy members get access to it. Kyle, they've already got access, bro. They haven't got access to Iron 2000 yet. They will very, very shortly. But they do have access, obviously, to the normal trade for you indicator as well. Can't wait for the lock on their faces when they the look on their face when they realize who. If I use the indicator, must I have a paid trading view for indicator? No, you do not.
Not unless you have multiple indicators.
Yeah. I think the free one you have up to 3. Two. Yeah. So at the end of the day, you can still just favorite it. So even if you want to flip between all your indicators you use, it's just easy to turn one off, turn it back on, turn off, turn on, and so forth. The value the trader gets is way more than the 2G's 100-fold. Yeah, think of it that way. If we even had to do the numbers, which I don't think it's really a place to do that, we gain, let's even put it this way, we gain single digits. So let's just do the maths here quickly, Chad. Like, let's just say you made 5,000 Rand on that trade. Dollar-wise, that's what, $250. $250, we get in single digits. Just let's think that in. So again, it's not like we are taking a lot here. You are still winning more, if that makes sense. Keys, if you have signed up for the trade for you in the database for the Keys, if you have signed up for the trade for you in the database for the trade for you. Yeah, you're in the database. So and also when all of these products go out, they'll go out to all the trade for you clients, meaning the original indicator and the Iron 2000 and future stuff and whatever the case is. So you will always be notified. Definitely can't wait for access to it. I'm funded and waiting. Anisha, just to give you an idea, our boy Laik has been trading it, literally just trading it, and he can come in and tell you himself. He has been up 10% on the funded account, literally just trading it. When I go to the link, it takes me to the trade for you indicator, which I already completed. That's the same thing. So if you have done that already, then you are perfect. You're good to go. Where's the ETA keys for the iron? We are pushing maybe for this week already, Chad. End of this week. We are pushing, but we don't want to make promises to you guys.
Get your own, Chad.
Wait, are we talking about the original indicator? The original project you already has. Iron 2000, they will have the minute it's ready to go. So when the forward testing starts, they also get. So basically, Project G gets to be part of the forward testing process, if that makes sense. So I'm going to inform you to see what it's all about. Join the movement. Hey, there we go, Brian. How do we get access to the trade for you? Sorry to ask if someone already asked. Evolve all you gotta do, go register on that link that is pinned. Just do that, and then you'll get into the process for it. Maybe difference of the item as long as it be done with trade for you. You said, yeah. So it'll still be the same thing. You just registering. Think of it this way, guys. We're going to give you a little bit more of an insight than we should be. Trade for you is an umbrella. Think of it like this. Trade for you is an umbrella. You're going to have the original. We're going to call it the OG indicator. You're going to have Iron 2000. You're going to have other things. There's future products that are going to come. So trade for you is, let's call it the corporation. And then they have all their products underneath it. Does that make sense? It's like a one-stop shop for all your trading necessities. Does that make sense to you guys? Just so you get the picture in where we're going with this. Like, I promise you, Chad, like when I say how much this has become, like Chris and myself, we are so excited on this, what we're building here. It is, we are doing a lot of work. In literally a few months, it is going to be crazy. It is going to be crazy what you guys will see this will be.
Oh, just got another little spiky. Wat gaan aan?
Where's the video link to XM to... Wait, what? Where's the video to link XM to the indicator? Brandon, it's in the welcome pack. As I said, those are the things that are coming out. It's not out yet. One-stop shop to retirement. Keys, if one is registered, does one also gain access to the future housewarmings, asking for a friend? Yeah, maybe the future housewarmings, yeah. Keegs, trade for you just killed it. I appreciate it. It's going to be a changer, guys. We've been talking about, and I hope you guys, after today, I hope you guys can see why we are so excited for this. Because that's the thing about live streaming. We can't script it. I couldn't have said we're gonna trade it today because today it will have an amazing trade. No, it's live. I could have lost it, Chad. We could have lost. That's the thing. You can't fake it. You can't do anything about that.
We lose when we want.
There you go. When you register, sign up to the 2Gs, then we get both indicators plus your mentorship and the normal 2G strat with training. Seems like the better option, even though I was going to join you guys. Gareth, the thing is, 100% that is a very easy way to do it. But get guys to sign up for something like that. I promise you, so much harder. I don't know why. I really don't know why. But someone will trade your thing. Let's even say get a bot and get all these things. But get them to say join a mentorship or join a group or community or whatever. They're like, maybe the end of the month. Maybe, I don't know why. That is just, it's so much for guys won't do it that way.
I think there've been too many scammers over the years who do it that way.
I'm up 1.6k from 100 today. Do you advise I get a proper account
Jeez,
keys burn on capital?
Well done.
Honestly, that's up to you, my brother. That really is up to you. I don't know how aggressive you want to be. So if I only join Project G, I will gain access, not necessarily for deposit. So Ruan, if you join Project G, you get the forward testing. So technically, you don't have to deposit while you have Project G. Technically. I don't want to speak wrong, but I think that is what Chris and myself agreed upon. If someone here is in Project G, maybe they can answer you, yeah. Because I know the guys are on the indicators already. I just can't remember. I don't think then they had to do that. It was like you kind of skip the link then, if that makes sense. But yeah, I don't want to speak wrong. I think that was what Chris and myself agreed upon. But as I said, I don't want to say something that's not the truth. I was asking on his behalf. I just signed up with the XM link. Money is money. There we go, Brian. Join the winning team. Yeah, guys, we're going to still see. As I said, we're waiting here. If it gives us another one, we can go for it. Sorry, I've been gone for a while. Can someone catch me up on Iron 2000? Carl, go check out my Instagram stories, brother. I did a big post on it today. My stories. Go check out my stories. You'll have a nice update there on Iron 2000. I'm in Project G. We didn't need to deposit. There we go. Just got the indicators straight up. Okay, there you go. Are the guys going to integrate trading view alerts for the entry signals? Jordan, we on it already, brother. As I said, there's a reason it's not coming out, because we're not Apple. We're not going to tell you about an amazing AI feature, launch the phone, and then we launch it and say, oh, but you don't get the AI features yet. They're going to come later. When we launch, it's going to have everything. So bear with us, my brother. Bear with us. Just like the indicator straight up. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, Prodigy gets everything straight off the bat, including the membership. Prodigy sign up, also going to skyrocket. We appreciate the love though, guys. We really, really do. He's just checking. What do you think, bro? I said, guys, I am waiting. Yeah, if we get another entry, Jay, we're gonna go for it. I promise you that. God's work being done, yeah. Thanks so much, Fobs. Samsung got the AI built in for free. Okay, team. I'm not also gonna lie to you. I do have to be somewhere at Hoppers. Well, I have to leave at Hoppers to be somewhere. So today will be a little bit of a shorter stream. So closer to that, if we don't have an entry, unfortunately that will be it. I will sit here till then, see if we can get another one. But just giving you guys the heads up already. Didn't you already miss the entry?
Entry 4?
No, there hasn't been another entry.
No. Wait,
we had the first two there. Oh, there hasn't been another. But also, Callan, how would you know where the Iron 2000 entry would be?
Someone
the only people in this office that have it is our office.
Someone trying to guess how this works.
Person XM almost blow account open, one lot on gold. I have managed to make it back. Was a mistake, lol. Oh. Yeah, I think look at the contract sizes, my brother. Does Iron 2000 work the same on gold? It literally works. That's the thing, guys. One indicator works on any time frame and every single instrument. You can trade on USD, NAS, gold. You can go trade it on GJ. You can go trade it on EU. You can go trade it on whatever you want to trade it on.
Speaking of gold, trade for you. Approaching stop loss 3 on gold.
Jordan, that would be crazy. Jax, alright, bros. Surviving, my boy. I hope you good, brother. Brother, I've got big brain. Can't be that big of a brain, my brother, if there wasn't an entry. I'm just joking. I don't mean to be rude, but yeah, there wasn't an entry. I got that gold entry was proper. Was that the OG indicator, the OG trade for you? Is Iron 2000 similar to what Project Linda was like? I read the post, looking very good. No, it's not. No, not Project Linda. Where is what was his name? Linda's husband.
Why am I blanking?
I'm like in a blank now that we said that.
No man, why am I blanking? It's on the tip of my tongue. Give me a second.
I made a blank, yeah. Hano!
Hano, that's the one.
Hano, you're still here, my brother.
Yo, blank for a second there.
Okay. I'd be interested, is Hano still, Mateo? What? Is Hano still trading Project Linda?
That was a tough nut to crack. Project Linda.
Thanks, trade for you. Took a 1R loss this morning and just banked 1.5R on gold. Hey,
well done. Well done.
That's the thing, guys. Also, just being like real with everyone. We never claimed though our indicators are 100%. We've never claimed that, because any trader that's going to claim something's 100%, well, then my first question is, why are you not a billionaire? Why then? It's all about risk to reward. You will take losses, but the wins must just outshine it. Hence, again, on the stories today when we were talking about it, that's part of all the testing we've been doing, is how many losses does it take to how many wins does it take to then how much profits do you actually make on the day. That obviously has to play a part. So you have to weigh everything into doing these things. Obviously, Iron 2000, already there's things we're picking up on, which, for example, I think, and this is just my side, I don't know, maybe Laik, I think Laik agreed with me. I don't know about Ed. Mo, I think, only just started today. Iron 2000, I haven't taken one loss on US City in New York session.
I've
taken it in London.
Yeah, not in New York.
Well, let's put it this way. All the losses it's taken were London session. But London session, use it on gold, and that thing smashes.
Yeah, it works a lot better on gold.
So
yeah.
it also seems like it does, like obviously, let's just call it volume. Gold moves obviously in London or either or, where USD really moves in New York session. So as I say, it does still work, but you do seem to where there will be more losses or more wins and things like that.
Funny enough, I noticed with US 30, it cranks them out after like 6 o'clock. When we stop getting like one-way traffic and it does a few pullbacks,
Yeah.
it cranks out signals after 6.
Amina, I don't know. That's actually quite weird. Keys XM setup, but I'm only gonna fund when I-2000 is released. Is that okay? Yeah, that's chill, bro. You obviously will only get the whole welcome pack and all those instructions and everything when it's done, because as I said, it's linked. So basically, think of it this way, guys. They have a whole sheet there that they're gonna have of all of our registered people. And then when your criteria is met, for example, you've registered, signed up, all that stuff, and then you've deposited. Think of it like this. Then a little green light's going to go ping, and it's going to say, Brian's now sorted. Then they let our support know. Our support then knows, okay, Brian's shop, good to go. Sends out the emails, and then you'll get the welcome email from Trade For You with all the instructions, how to apply it, how to install it, how everything will work, blah, 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 blah. So, yeah, that is perfectly fine, but obviously just keep in mind that you will only get that stuff there once you've deposited. Thanks, ladies and gentlemen. I'll wait. Okay, cool. Weird question. When you boys in the office are taking the I-2000, are you getting the signals from the indicator, or do you all know the entry criteria? So that's the thing. So, Michael, we all know how it works. But when, for example, it's going to go out to you guys, same as the other things, it will have a little icon that will pop up and say bar, stop loss, TP, all of that. Right now, we don't have that on it yet because we're just still testing it. So we all know what the criteria is. So when this and this and this and this and this is met, you buy. When this is met, you sell.
Think of it as the indicator is only half built.
Yeah. Think of it like it's just the engine's there. But now we just need to put the body kit on. We need to make her look nice. And Penal, Jensen, Chad, hope you have a banger afternoon. There we go, guys. Drop a like and subscribe. Let's go. Plus 200 watching. Chad, we are so close to that 17k mark. What the amount is there a minimum, Keeks? Brian, the minimum is in like to deposit. The minimum is 750. So yeah, 750, and then you'll just get access to everything. So Keeks, do I sign up to XM, and how much in deposit is needed? Evolve, so that's the job. 750 is the deposit that needs to be made. Sign up to XM, or if you have an account, either way, you in your partner code 2G's trading. FP markets feed in US City is messed up. I don't know what it's doing. It's all over the place here, Chad. Don't be scared, my keys. But don't worry, Chad. All I'm going to say is trust me. These boys in the office, they're not going to talk. They know they will have their tongues removed very quickly.
I saw green dots on my chest, Chad.
They were told, boys, just keep quiet. You make money. Just carry on with your lives. We all here to help each other. Just Chad, here is the source. Oh boy, he's back now, Chad. Yeah. He's done with his tour. Now he wants to give you guys the source. What did Elon tell him, Chad? Ah, this guy. What did Elon tell him now? Okay, to be fair, I-2000 developed on inverse fair value.
I-Intel has developed an inverse fair value. Yeah, is that completely inaccurate?
Man got a slice of Biscoff in his left hand and an iron in his right. Okay, Chad, USD really is messed up because I'm watching it, yeah. And on my MetaTrader, it is busy tanking. So it is definitely messed up. So let's...
What broker feeds that?
FP Markets.
No, mine's working.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me just...
The 1 minute.
Alright, looks like I just had to change it and now it's fine again. Yeah, that was very, very weird.
That was weird. Although price action is a little bit on the odd side.
We are watching ya, Chad. Promise you we are watching.
Andrea's asking, can she join from the US? I'm assuming the XM link she should be, right?
Wait, what's that message?
Andrea, under Jordan. Above Brooks.
Are they? Can I join from the US? XM has, I think, what they call a sister company for US clients. But, Andrea, if I'm going to give you, honestly, I think for your situation, the easiest answer is probably to just go the Project G route, if I'm being honest. Because we can't assist, like, as much as there is the whole, for example, the XM, when guys are having problems, we do still have like a way in there now. We don't have any connection to the sister company. So if there is issues, we won't be able to help you. So for that reason, I think the Project G route, where you still get access to it and all that stuff, would be the better option for US clients.
I didn't realize XM wasn't in the US.
Yeah, they are international, but for example, the US company is it has a different name.
Got you.
Yeah. Chris and Ian on the same WhatsApp group. James, the Discord link isn't working. Alright. Alright, see Nighbot sent there. The link that Nighbot sent, does that one work?
That works for me.
The source is supported resistance. Yeah, basically run Project G and then you'll get it as well. Yeah. For our South African, even UK, those clients, you can use that stuff. But as I say, just US, because I think you guys all know the situation with US. It does get a bit more trickier. For that reason, I'd say probably go in is the Project G route.
Go talk to your boy Trump.
On XM Dash, I put the partner code in there, keys. I haven't opened a new XM account in years. If I don't want to give you the wrong thing. It's members or something like that. Members area or something. So once you have opened, if you didn't do it on your sign up, when you go, there's I think it's members, if I'm on the correct word here. I think it's members, and then there'll be partner code or something, and then you can put in 2G straight in. Kyle, if we're going to be honest with you, so a lot of the stuff Chris myself is planning is international. And the biggest part in doing that is because we want to obviously go that route. So, sorry guys. Yeah, I was just here because I see USD still isn't catching on, yeah. What was I saying? So when they approached us, it was obviously a much better solution to go with these international companies which have a vision, which have the same idea for what we want to do and stuff, than partnering with a local company, if that makes sense. For the vision that we have, an international company just aligns with everything a lot better for us. I think where you create an account as well, you put the partner code as well. Fair enough. Partner code to trade a new train encounter. Iron 2000 broke FP markets. Yeah, it isn't working, guys. I'm currently on Black Bull. Let me just go to US study. Yeah, so I'm currently just US study, and we are watching over there. Keys, the 2G's discount code still work active on Vol Funder. Yes, it should be. Oh, Iron 2000 might give another trade. But time, I don't know if I can watch it though. Oh, that's a bit of a problem. Hey, that's a problem, Gaspar. Just funded under the partner code. Will back office email me to confirm, or do I send them proof? No, everything else should come through once that's all been done. You can send outside proof if you want to, the 2G's trading. So support at 2gstrain.com, but it should be good. I'm curious to know how you decide on a name for the indicator 2G trade. Amina, which one? As in trade for you in general, or the Iron 2000?
I think with the Iron 2000, what Chris say? it irons out your equity curve.
The Iron 2000. Yeah, Amina, I'm going to be honest. I actually think that is exactly what happened.
Yeah.
So I wasn't here that day. And that's when Chris came up with that he's calling it the Iron 2000. And we were just like, you know what, we're gonna run with it.
We're just gonna roll with it.
Yeah,
it's fine.
So I hope no one takes offense. Please read the disclaimer. Lol. But yeah, it was the Iron 2000 was named by Keeks after he was asked to do the ironing that night. We all know Chris is the seed to these crazy names. I mean, if you think of it, Chad, I came up with trade for you. Chris named the grubber kick.
Yeah, he came out with grubber kick.
Chris named the cracker. Chris now named Iron 2000.
The Iron 2000 was almost called I Love Vista.
Yeah. Like, that was the last time I heard of it before it became Iron 2000.
I Love Vista. No. I still love Vista.
Yeah,
I still love Vista.
Did you just say I love Rotti?
Whoa, hey. Whoa, you're I'm about to catch strays on Instagram. Don't say shit like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna be attacked again here tonight. Chad.
Hey, I've so far been safe. Don't put me in harm's way now.
Rooks dropped the secret cracker link as well. Amina wants to eat. Oh, Chad. But yeah, guys, there's 211 of you. Please drop a like if you guys haven't already. It really helps the channel. We're on that road to 20k. We're so close to 17 at the moment. And again, must say we absolutely love the support we've been getting. The channel, I don't know what you guys have been doing, but it has been blowing up again. So the love has been crazy, guys. We really appreciate all of you. Just testing, bro. You never know if there's one if you don't try.
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Okay. Iron 2000 seems like it's gonna take a minute to set another one up.
All right, Chad. As I said, I don't know if we're going to. As Ed was saying, it's going to take a minute. As I need to be out here already by 24, so they give me 6 minutes to quickly pack up, let the stream run a bit before we switch off and everything. So we're going to go full screen. Ed, Any closing remarks from you today, my bro?
No, Chad. Listen, if you took a win, don't get greedy. Market seems like it's ranging a little bit. You don't want to turn an otherwise good day into a terrible day. So be wise, be smart. Mora is nog een dag.
There we go, Chad. So again, we're gonna see you guys same place, same time tomorrow as always. Chad, this week has been crazy. Literally the amount of TPs you guys have been having in the morning. New York session has been TPs after TPs. The crack has been on fire. You guys have seen why we are so excited about 90,000. It has been amazing. And we are so excited to release it to you guys. So make sure you don't miss out. Get that registration in. Otherwise, get hold of Project G so you can be part of the forward testing. Get a little bit before everyone else does. But Chad, we really appreciate all of you guys, the love, the support you guys show us day in, day out. Actually believe it in us, as we always say sometimes. You guys really believe in us more than we believe in ourselves. Big man Ed, thanks for stepping in with me today, my brother.
Always.
And Chad, we are going to see you guys tomorrow, same place, same time. As always, take care of each other, take care of yourself, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Dripping lights, the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. turn